Hey, it's Mr. Peace. Just got done sharing my heart here at Rangeland Elementary School in Louisville, Kentucky. Great day. Got to meet the kindergarten through fifth graders, talking today about bullying, but more importantly, looking at somebody's heart first and foremost, that we see everybody like we see our best friend. We cherish and appreciate what's on the inside. We also value what's on the outside, all of our differences, how we might be born, whether it's learning differently, seeing differently, hearing differently, a different sense. Different disability or inability, that no matter what, we can still choose kindness, we can still choose love. And so many students, they came up to me and said, well, I've seen a lot of violence in my life, I've seen a lot of swearing, I've seen a lot of hurt people, but like I always talk about, healed people heal people, and that's a choice. So for a lot of them, they started to heal in their hearts, and once they can forgive the people that show them hate, they can rise above that hate, be the bigger people, and just choose empathy, choose compassion, choose respect in all that they do, and hopefully change some hearts in the process. A lot of that focuses on seeing everybody like you see your best friend, but also as human beings before anything else too. The shirts that I wear, the one race, human, that we see everybody as human beings before anything else, and their hearts first and foremost, like I mentioned before, but also we see everybody for their worth as true miracles, the M on all of our palms. As I was walking out of the school, a lot of the students already had traced them on theirs, knowing that they are worth everything, that they are true miracles. And that's just a reminder, the lines etched on all of our hands, that we are good enough, we helped, and now that we believe that and know that in our heart of hearts, we go out being the change and help other people see that they're great enough to be the light to their heart. So thanks for touching my heart. Hope to see you guys again soon. Until then, much love. Take it easy and keep spreading the peace. Peace.